Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will be doing some unicorn nails. So I'm starting this nail art with the unpeel off base coat because what better way to start a nail art? Yeah, I'm just applying that base coat. And then I use these Nykaa nail polishes, the Blue Mermaid and Pink Malibu for my base color. I'm applying the pink nail polish on my middle and ring finger and the blue nail polish on my index and pinky finger. After that, I'm using this BeautyBigBang stamping plate, the MDU black stamping polish and the white stamping polish. Then I'm stamping this I Am Unicorn design with the black stamping polish and then using these nail polishes to fill in the design. Then I'm just coloring in the design, making it nice and pretty. Once that is dry, I'm using this Maybelline clear nail polish to apply all over the design to make it a decal, and while that is drying I will be stamping these stars on my index and pinky finger and these clouds for my ring finger. I'm making the same decal with the clouds as well. So this one is dry and now I'm transferring it on a clear jelly stamper and smoothing it over the stamper. This helps with the placement, but I actually messed it up, so yeah. Mine got a little wonky. After that, remove the extra parts and clean up. I did the same thing for my ring finger with the clouds. And then I applied a glossy top coat on all my nails and we're basically done. So that was the nail art for today and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you guys can watch more here or you can subscribe here and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.